Are you in the market for a powerful kitchen appliance that can handle all your grinding and mixing needs? Look no further than the 1000-watt mixer grinder. With its high power performance, this appliance is a must-have for any modern kitchen. In this video, we'll take you to top 3000-watt mixer grinders that you can buy, comparing their features and pros and cons and value for money factor. For all the mixer grinders, we have provided a link in the description and also tagged in this video. If you have any queries, you can comment in the comment section. We will reply you there. And if you have any recommendation from your side, you can comment in the comment section. Maharaja Whiteline 1000-watt Ultra Max HD mixer grinder. Maharaja Whiteline MX220 Ultra Max Plus mixer grinder is a powerful and versatile appliance for all your grinding and mixing needs. With its 1000-watt motor and durable stainless steel jars, this mixer grinder is perfect for everyday use. It comes with a 1000-watt motor, durable stainless steel jars, 3-speed settings, overload protection, and sturdy build quality. The main reasons why you should consider this particular mixer grinder is its powerful 1000-watt motor, durable stainless steel jars, and sturdy build quality. Philips HL7703 1000-watt mixer grinder with a copper motor. The Philips HL7703 mixer grinder is a versatile and efficient appliance for your kitchen. With its 1000-watt motor, this mixer grinder can handle tough grinding tasks with ease. It also comes with a stainless steel blades for precision grinding and a leak-proof design for added safety. The mixer grinder comes with 1000-watt motor, stainless steel blades, leak-proof design, 3-speed setting, and auto cut-off protection. The main good reasons to buy this amazing mixer grinder is a powerful 1000-watt motor, stainless steel blades for precision grinding, and leak-proof design for added safety. Bosch Pro 1000-watt mixer grinder, overall the best one. Bosch TrueMixx Pro mixer grinder is a powerful and reliable kitchen companion. With its innovative stone pounding technology and high-performance 1000-watt motor, this grinder ensures perfect grinding results every time. Its stylish design and sturdy build quality make it a standout addition to any kitchen. The mixer grinder main features are its 1000-watt motor, stone pounding technology, stylish design, sturdy build quality, and 4 jars for versatile usage. Buy this amazing mixer grinder for its powerful 1000-watt motor, innovative stone pounding technology, and its stylish and sturdy design makes it attractive mixer grinder in your kitchen. Links are provided in the description and also tagged in this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.